I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and when it comes to carbs, gnocchi ranks pretty high on my list. But let's be honest, making gnocchi from scratch can take hours upon hours, and sometimes you just need a quick carb fix. So I'm turning store-bought gnocchi into this easy, cheesy gnocchi with crispy garlic. We're starting off with some unsalted butter that I'm going to add to a sauté pan over medium heat. Continue cooking the butter until it is melted. Once the butter is melted, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then our very thinly sliced garlic. I've peeled the garlic clove and then cut them into very thin slices. The thinner the garlic is, the crispier they'll get. These go into the pan. Then we're gonna cook the garlic in the butter with the salt and pepper until they get nice and deep golden brown. If you could smell this right now, oh my gosh, my entire kitchen is filled with this buttery garlic aroma. And what's great is it kind of turns the butter into a brown butter, so you get a little bit of a nutty flavor. Our garlic is getting nice and toasted and golden brown. So now it's time to add our gnocchi. And I've cooked the gnocchi in some boiling salted water. They just take about 2 minutes. I'm gonna add them to the pan and then toss them in our delicious butter sauce. So once you've added the gnocchi, you can see our garlic. This is exactly what we're looking for with the garlic. It's almost turned into like a garlic chip, so it's really crispy. It's got that dark golden brown color, and you can just smell how intensely rich that garlic flavor is gonna be. So just 2 ingredients left to add. Of course, we can't have pasta without cheese. So I'm gonna add some grated Parmesan cheese. Looking good. We'll save a little bit to put on top. And then of course, tons of chopped fresh chives. You get this nice oniony flavor. It adds a little bit of color. 6 ingredients, 15 minutes. Look at that. Melted, cheesy, delicious goodness. This a quick toss to make sure we get that cheese all melted. And we're done. That's it. Grab a fork. We're finished. You don't have to share. And I promise you, one taste of this and you're gonna be ditching those Italian takeout menus for good, because this quick gnocchi with crispy garlic is guaranteed to rival your favorite restaurant dish. For the full recipe, check out justataste.com.